Turtle and tortoise. A turtle is known as a sluggish-moving animal on land, due to its heavy domed shell. It cannot crawl out of its shell. The shell and plastron of a turtle is primarily made of bone to protect and provide shelter. If it's upside down, it can flip itself back over by extending its neck and pivoting its body on its head. It simultaneously pushes off the surface with its legs, on whichever side is tilting downwards. Turning itself over is a laborious task and takes time. Some evolutionary tortoise and turtle species have flatter, smoother, ridged, or lumped shells to reduce drag and increase stability in the open ocean. They have patterned backgrounds or spiked shells to camouflage against predators. Shells vary with different humps, deviations, and flexibility. If a tortoise ends up on its back, in the presence of a predator, it can't flee. It naturally freezes and retracts its neck back into its shell. It waits until its enemy is discouraged and walks away. It will roll onto one side to make an effort in order to flip itself over.
What are salt tears from sea turtles? Are they crying? A marine turtle's tear glands function to rid the excess salt taken in from the sea water that they drink. The excess salt is excreted by special glands behind each eye. It gives the appearance of a turtle crying.
Camel and llama. The Arabian camel, Bactrian camel, and llama are not ruminants. When we talk about camels, we always think of their two prominent characteristics, being even-toed ungulates, and the number of humps on its back, either one or two. Its humps are reservoirs of fatty tissues, rather than water. The tissues function to yield water by metabolizing this fat to water. What is the highest temperature ever recorded in a desert? It's 56.7 degrees centigrade in Death Valley, California, USA. Why doesn't a camel become dehydrated in such a hot desert? It can withstand ambient temperatures up to 49 degrees centigrade, thanks to a thick coat, which helps to insulate it from the intense heat radiated from the sun. A camel can go without water for up to 10 days. With a 600 kilograms camel, it can consume 200 liters of water in 3 minutes, once every 10 days. A camel rarely sweats, and uses 1.3 liters of fluid intake per day, whilst other livestock lose 30 liters on average every day. Elephant. An elephant can use its trunk to squeeze, twist, coil, grasp, and wrap food. It is able to crack a peanut shell without breaking the seed. The multifunction trunk is used to suck up water in order to spray into its mouth or sprinkle dust on itself. Additionally, it functions as a snorkel when underwater. Elephant ivory is derived from the tusk. Its tusks have multiple functions, which include digging for water and roots, debarking and clearing a path, marking trees, and fighting. As in humans, their tusks are used either right-hand or left-handed. Elephants are present throughout sub-Saharan Africa and also Asia. The African elephant has larger ears and a concave back, whilst the Asian elephant has smaller ears and a convex or level back. A species of straight-tusked elephant is still in existence, but the species of mammoth with long curved tusks are now extinct. Science, through DNA, are considering cloning long extinct woolly mammoths, with current living elephants. Hyena. A hyena is a cursorial hunter. It can perform sharp turns, thanks to its calloused feet with large, blunt, non-retractable claws. In ordinary circumstances, hyenas often defend themselves ferociously. On rare occasions, they can also feign death. The tactic of false death is applied to cheat lions. Historically, hyenas used to prey on humans, and even express bold behaviors towards people, especially at night. Therefore, they are known, both as man-eaters, and extremely timid scavengers. Make of. Make from. Pivot. Pivoted. Pivoted. Pivoting. Pivot. Push. Pushed. Pushed. Pushing. Tilt. Tilted. Tilted. Tilting. Take. Took. Taken. Taking. Turn. Turned. Turned. Turning. Turn. Evolve. 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 Evolving. Evolution. Evolutionary. Flee. Fled. Fled. Fleeing. Freeze. Froze. Frozen. Freezing. Freezer. Flip. Flipped. Flipped. Flipping. Roll. Rolled. Rolled. Rolling. Roll. Retract. Retracted. Retracted. Retracting. Retraction. Retractor. Retractable. Discourage. Discouraged. Discouraged. Discouraging. Discouragement. Cry. Cried. Cried. Crying. Rid. 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 Ridding. Excrete. Excreted. Excreted. Excreting. Excretion. Secrete. Secreted. Secreted. Secreting. Lose. Lost. Lost. Losing. Loss. Loser. Twist. Twisted. Twisted. Twisting. Twist. Squeeze. Squeezed. Squeezed. Squeezing. Coil. Coiled. Coiled. Coiling. Coil. Grasp. Grasped. Grasped. Grasping. Wrap. Wrapped. Wrapped. Wrapping. Break. Broke. Broken. Breaking. Suck. Sucked. Sucked. Sucking. Spray. Sprayed. Sprayed. Spraying. Crack. Cracked. Cracked. Cracking. Crack. Metabolize. 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 Metabolizing. Metabolism. Metabolic. Record a voice, a meeting. Recorded. Recorded. Recording. Record. Dehydrate. Dehydrated. Dehydrated. Dehydrating. Dehydration. Withstand. Withstood. Withstood. Withstanding. Insulate. Insulated. Insulated. Insulating. Insulation. Insulator. Radiate. Radiated. radiated, radiating, radiation, sweat, sweated, sweated, sweating, sweat, sprinkle, sprinkled, sprinkled, sprinkling, derive, derived, derived, deriving, dig, dug, dug, digging, debark, debarked, debarked, debarking, mark, marked, marked, marking, mark, clear, cleared, cleared, clearing, clear, curve, curved, curved, curving, curve, clone, cloned, cloned, cloning, clone, callous, calloused, feign, feigned, feigned, feigning, cheat, cheated, cheated, cheating, cheat, apply, applied, applied, applying, application, applicant, appliance, retract, retracted, retracted, retracting, retraction, retractor, retractable, defend, defended, defended, defending, defense, defender, defensive, defendant,